your spirit flies. Living it up this brand new day. Summer sun, it's time to play. Doing things that feel so good. Get into the motion. What I'm feeling. It's never been so easy when I'm dreaming.
Viva la figa!
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's funny how your role model gets outdated, becomes the old model. At the hotel asking for more bottles. Menage +1, I'm fucking phone models. Wordplay that elevates minds like Aristotle. Mercy, Lago, whipping through Chicago. All these beautiful women follow wherever I go. $1 million deals on the table. Just a couple years ago I couldn't pay for cable. Growing up surrounded by cane like I was able. Shit was unstable, now visionary's the label. Plus Def Jam, know who I am. I'm that motherfucker that do it just cause I can. Now, I'm on the level that your elevator can't reach. I got information that the school system doesn't teach. I got verses that your Sunday service wouldn't care to preach. Second coming to Christ flow, they like, whoa. Rapture you with lyricism, kidnap your soul. And change your mind like I penetrated your soul. I seen shit John Lennon couldn't imagine. Just me and the mic on the main stage spazzing. Just the type of shit people can't even fathom. So much swag, this shit you would've sworn I was from Nazareth. I'm resurrecting hip-hop like it was Lazarus. Just the second renaissance. Real. I'm the one. Nasty. All the time. Yeah, step to the mic and they gon' dread it like Weezy. Man, this industry is so damn greasy. Swagging on the track to say I sound like easy, but I don't give a fuck cause getting money too easy. 21st century, doing something mean to it. Play this in the South and everybody gon' lean to it. Greatest of all time, it's got a nice ring to it. We do it for the music, money and the thing to us. Big shot and motherfucker, what's bling to us? Most love, most hated at the same time. Star player in this bitch and it's game time. Who you know lyrically kill the club in the same rhyme? They call me Logic, motherfucker, better know the name. I spit crack like Pusha, Novocaine. We never dumb it down, you know we just numb it down. And watch you get up in your feelings when we come around. Grew up on Section 8, you probably can't relate, cause y'all just watch the throne, I'm trying to checkmate. I've been shining since before I brought them diamonds in. They talk that shit, it's so astonishing. Y'all better swallow that pride like a Klonopin, cause I can lay tracks with my eyes closed. It's the second renaissance. Real. I'm the one. Nasty. All the time. Got a show in LA Sunday, the New York Monday. Looking at the BET cypher like I'll be there one day. It's the rock, reincarnated, we call it visionary. Fuck the world till I'm on top, we call that missionary. The game's on pause and need a load again. These rappers is reruns and we need a new episode again. Yeah, well motherfucker, it's the pilot, so fly. I recorded this in the PJ next to the pilot on the CB. Now you see me on the TV. Said this would happen back in the day, but you ain't believe me, so I'ma keep rising to the top, never stop, and finger fuck the world till the day my album drop.
Ragazzi.
Open?
Let's go, let's go.
Trying to do this one day at a time. I put my whole life into these lines. Yeah, nothing can stop us now. You don't want a problem, pal. Yes, I came a long way since I was a problem child. Same guy I always been, trying to make my mama proud. Reaching for the stars, praying I won't ever touch the ground. I gotta do this now while the sun's still shining. No matter how you get it, gotta see the silver lining. Remember when we came came up, everybody tried to clown us. Now the same people trying to say that they're the ones that found us. All the minutes, all the hours, all the tears we devoured. Now we up, feel the power, screaming out the world is ours. Close to my voice, looking at me through the glass. I don't gotta lie to you, I don't gotta wear a mask. I just gotta be me, stay true to my last dying day. I did everything I could to make it back. Come on. Told each other we could do anything that we want and nothing could stop us. I got the ball, not gonna drop it. No one can take this away from us, that's a promise. Can't let this moment slip away, can't have that on my conscience. I admit I lost my way, I was unfaithful, but it's a new day, and I'm so grateful. I still got a chance to show you that I'm worth it. Can't take back what I did, cause you know that I'm not perfect. Hold my head up to the sky, through the clouds I'll survive. No regrets, I'm alive, no more tears, let's get high. Remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Just know that I love you and memories will never die. This is all I've ever known. The stage is my throne, this is where I belong. Don't ever feel alone, just remember this day and everything that I said. The sun will still shine long after I'm dead.
Get hyper.